Hey, so welcome to the Exploration Systems Operations Center tent at the HMP base camp. It's here that we run all of the communications and computing and information support and engineering services to make HMP happen. And what we have here, we have the most advanced communication and computing infrastructure of any analog in the world. There are techniques here where we've proved things we can do for Moon and Mars in terms of next generation communication. This has actually helped define the baseline concepts that we can use actually in fact for the Moon and Mars. So we have communications that go 20-30 kilometers of high speed data that will work on a dry place like the Moon or Mars with its big hills, or even on places like asteroids. We have high-speed satellite communications. We're learning how to make satellite communications fast enough that we can still test communications here in Canada. Because one of the problems we have is that when we go to the Moon, we're hoping to have 100 megabits of data. That's 10 megabytes of data going a second between here and the Moon, and maybe faster. That's really tough up in the Arctic to do. So we've been trying this year to make the connection a lot faster, working with our friends at the Communication Research Station in Ottawa, and we've actually done really well. Using a bird from Telesat, we've actually found a way to double the data rate, and maybe next year have basically 8 times the data rate that we've been having, which actually corresponds to like 28 times faster than we had years ago. So we can have a really fast connection and maybe do some real Moon and Mars like things in future and prepare for the big projects like testing big rovers, things like that here.